Over the years, I've had the pleasure of flying a variety of big, fast, powerful military and commercial planes. But I can't recall one that was as comfortable to fly or as dependable as the Strike Commander. This is a tough bird that is mighty tough to beat. I hope you come out the next time we're in your area to see and judge for yourself. We'll be looking for you.